Embrace flexibility. Are you set in your ways? Of course, you want to have a structure, right? But have you noticed that sticking strictly to your ways sometimes makes you feel frustrated? Consider embracing flexibility in your schedule. By being flexible, it allows you to adapt to unexpected demands in both work and personal life. So, while having a routine is important, be ready to adjust as needed. If something urgent comes up at home, be prepared to shift your work schedule and vice versa. Annette is a coffee bean supplier known for her punctuality. She's indeed a stickler for routine. And every day she follows the same schedule religiously, from her morning exercise to her evening meditation. However, Annette soon realized that her rigid routine was causing her unnecessary stress. When her child's school called for an urgent meeting, Annette hesitated. She did not want to disrupt her work schedule, especially when she had an appointment with a potential client. But then she remembered the importance of embracing flexibility. The meeting was not urgent anyway. And so she rescheduled that meeting at a later time. And true enough, this simple act of flexibility not only allowed Annette to support her child, but it also alleviated her stress and strengthened her bond with her family. Yes, life happens. That's why, as business owners, we have to learn to adapt and to adjust.